Hi, my name is Cheska Josue, and for today we're gonna do Bebe Rexha's inspired makeup look on her Meant to Be music video. But first, we're gonna start off with clean face. I already put moisturizer and toner beforehand, so I'm gonna put primer on the parts where I usually have loose makeup. And then the next part is I'm gonna put concealer. I have dark under eye, so I'm gonna put it there, and then on the nose part, also on the forehead here. I'm just gonna blend it on my skin, so there. Next, I'm gonna use foundation, put it here, and then blend. I'm gonna set the under eye with translucent powder so that it won't crease. Next part is we're gonna do the brows. I usually do the tip first and then inwards and then just brush it. So there. And then the next part is the eyeshadow. We're only using one shade for this. I'll be using a contour powder. It's not so dark. This is light brown. Just build up the color, do it here as well. Then next is the contour. I'm also using this shade. Then lightly do that. Just build up the color on the chin and then jaws. I'm also doing contour on the nose. I'll be using the same product. Okay, I'm doing my lashes. And then mascara. For this look, I'm not putting it below. So there. I'll be putting on blush on. This one is very light because I don't really... So since the look is light as well, I don't want it to look that pinkish. But I want it to look barely there. There, and we're almost done. Before I usually start my lips, I always use lip balm or moisturizer or something that will smoothen my lips before applying lipstick on. I'll be using a lip liner for this one and then a lipstick. All you have to do is just outline your lips. There. This shade that I'm using is pinkish. It's good for all complexion. After the liner, I'm putting on this lip tint and it's red. So there. The last part is the highlighter. So I'm getting a good amount of it and just put it on the high points of my face, which is the cheekbones. There. Just dab it. Actually, you can put this before the foundation so that it will look natural. So under the brow, and then on the tip of your nose, and then on the bridge, then on the chin, just dab it. Last, setting spray. And that's it. This is the outcome of the recreation of Bebe Rexha's makeup look on her Meant to Be music video.
Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be.
We're doing a transformation look of Bebe Rexha's music video from Meant to Be to Home. So what we did earlier is that we had a light makeup. We're doing a bit dark. Well, it's not really dark because we're doing the eyeshadow more than the lips because we're doing a nude lip. Okay. To do that, we're going to use a darker shade on the eyelid. So what I'm using now is a dark brown. Then just wipe on your lid inward from out to inward. Then just build it up. There. Just do the same on the other side. So just blend it. Keep on blending. So as you can see, this one is a bit darker than the first. So we'll put a little bit more so that you'll see the difference. So there. Then do the same, just put it here under. I just use the same shade on the lid. If you see dark spots here, dark shades, I mean harsh ones, just blend it. Keep on blending it so that it will look even. She had a sparkly lid. So today I'm gonna use a light shade. It's sparkly. I want to intensify the color. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll be spraying water on it and then pat it on the lid there. Then I'm gonna go on retouch my contour from earlier because it's a bit light. And then do your blush on. I'll be using a light shade, this one. Just put it here. We'll do the highlighter again. Just dab it till it looks smooth on the skin there. Then on the tip of your nose and on the bridge, the chin, and then on the top of your lip. Okay, we're going on the lips. Always put lip balm. From the meant to be look, it's a bit red. It's much bolder. But for this look, it is light. It's actually nude. I'm using a nude lip liner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna outline the lip and then fill it in there. Do the same on your top of the lip. So there, I'll be using a nude lipstick to finish off the look. Lip liner again. And we're done. This is a look for home. It's a transformation look from meant to be to home. This has been Cheska Josue, and thank you for watching. See you again.